Okay, talk.
Okay, why don't you lay your head on my shoulder?
Because you smell like rat crap.
I always know that I stink if I can smell me more than anyone else next to me. And I can tell
And Mom,
you
why do you smell so bad?
because I have been in a storage unit and I had 3 live rats come out and jump out of me. Oh, it's so bad. So bad.
Okay, film me. Film me.
All right.
Hello.
And you, look, she's got her
I'm fashionable.
farmer playboy.
A whore.
She's got her playboy farmer look going. I thought you were going to put on a shirt.
I smell
And then
better
we
than her.
left out the door without a shirt on. I thought you were going to put on a shirt. I didn't think you were done
Oh.
dressing.
Why didn't you tell me?
Because you're a big girl. Not a big girl, but, older.
She's making fun of me now.
I'm
You see
always
this?
making fun of her.
Hold on, I gotta...
Look at what she has on, though. Come on. And she says, oh, I can't fit in here. Yeah, you can. You fit in great today. Look at that.
At least I don't smell like rat crap.
Huh?
At least I don't smell like rat crap.
By association, you do. Because you got in the rat crap boxes.
What?
The rat. Oh, you know what was really gross? Is that,
Hold on.
is the rat when I opened up the box and it smelled like, dead.
What
It
does
was.
dead smell like?
Bad. And to the side, there was a bag in there, and to the side of the bag, squished up against the side of the box, was a petrified rat with his tail